All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is something I feel is pretty special. But before we dive into the video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But all the opinions and thoughts that you're going to hear are 100% my own and were not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion because, as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 with you guys and gals. So, without further ado, let's spin the cameras around and let's get into today's video. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. Welcome back. Now, in this portion of the video, I'm gonna give you guys my overall first impressions with the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus, right? So I hope y'all enjoyed the unboxing, feature rundown, packaging showcase, and in this portion of the video, we're gonna get into my overall first impressions of the fit and the feel of the earbuds themselves. And I gotta say it. SoundPEATS. Wow. You guys pretty much included everything. I've never seen so many ear tips included in one package before. It's been a good minute. So if you can't find a solid fit after everything that SoundPeats has included here, I don't know what to tell you, but wow. And even a nice carrying case with a carabiner clip so you can clip it on and then clip it onto your bag, clip it onto your pants, wherever you want to clip on the carrying case. Really good stuff there. Nice little Velcro cable management strap as well. So when you're storing it or you want to tidy up the cables, you got your Velcro straps. SoundPeats, man. You guys included everything everything. And I gotta say, when this came across the catalog in the Amazon Vine program, as soon as I saw SoundPeats and I read the description of the product, I was like, oh yeah, you need somebody to review these? Send it on down. Send it. Just send it. Because SoundPeats, I've reviewed a lot of their products in the past, and they always seem to have super reliable products in general. And these seem like a relatively good pair of gym earbuds. So I figured why not bring them into the channel and check them out. But as I said in the beginning of the video, this video here today is brought to you guys and gals thanks to the Amazon Vine program. So that does mean I will have a full written review out on Amazon before I finish all of my video coverage. It just is what it is. But as I said, I'm still going to keep it 100 when I review these products, as I always do since I've been a part of the Amazon Vine program. I reserve the right to give full judgments around here. All right? So, without further ado, I think I talked long enough. Let's go ahead and put on the earbuds and let me give y'all my first impressions of how they fit and how they feel. Let me take the photos of the profiles so you can see and get an overall idea how they may potentially fit on your ears or in your ears and on your head. If your head is similarly shaped to mine, you get a good idea. But let's do this. Let's go. Now let me take off my other product that I was reviewing first, and that's actually responsible for all the audio today. So let me put that down slightly in the frame so the mic can still pick up good audio. We don't want to lose that audio here, okay? And now let's put these bad boys on. So are they labeled right and left? I don't think so. I don't see a right and left label, but they will only go in one way. And SoundPeats, thank you so much. I appreciate the ear hooks. So this looks like it might be for the right ear, and that means that this one is for the left ear. So let's go ahead and put them on. And I also do appreciate the fact that they're magnetized as well. That's pretty cool as well. So let me put them on behind the camera and give y'all my first impressions. All right. Boom. And boom. Oh wow, that is in there, baby. That's not going anywhere. Oh, that's in there. That is in there. Okay. Oh, and surprisingly, I could still hear myself talk really well, even with the earbuds in. So that's pretty good as well. Yeah, they fit very solidly, very securely. And I do like the fact that I can make the cable and the main connector dangle under my chin or behind my neck. So the cables will always be out of the way. I can even tuck them in my shirt here. That's pretty cool. So I could tuck the access cable in my shirt. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let's pull out a phone today. What are we going to take these profile shots with? Got the iPhone 11 right here. Let's take the profile shots with the iPhone 11 today. So let's open this up. Let's fire up the camera. And oh wow. Oh yeah. They do stick out of my ears quite a lot. But let me get a wide profile so you can see how the excess cable is hanging. So like that. And even though it's hanging, it's still out of the way. So I can appreciate that. So let's do a side profile here. So you can see one side. Boom. Okay, let's do the other side. So you can see the other side. Boom. And let me see how it's looking. Okay. Okay, that's not looking bad. That's not looking bad at all. So that's one side. That's the other side. And yeah, it's actually in my ear canal quite nicely. And yeah, that front profile is kind of nice. I've been eating too much sugar this holiday season. You can see my face starting to break out. Oh man, it is what it is. When the family leaves and goes home, and I stop eating so goodly, I only eat really good when family comes to visit. But all of that will come to the end when everybody goes home. But it is what it is. So face kind of breaking out right now, but it's whatever. But let me show y'all this. So check out this front profile here, right? And you see how the cable is dangling, and I can tuck the excess cable in my shirt there. And then you see you can put the main unit off to the side. It's really, really nice. But from afar, it does stick out of my ears very noticeably. But it is what it is. So that's the front profile. Let me show you one side. So here's one side. Okay. Not bad though. Not bad at all, if I must say so myself. And you can see it goes in my ear canal very nicely and it's super secure. So that's not coming out. And then here's the other side. Let me show y'all real quick. There's the other side. And once again, it's in there super secure and it's not coming out. All right, check that out. And yeah. Let me do a quick shake test. Ah, okay. Okay. Yeah, no, that's not going anywhere. All I did was give myself a headache. No, yeah, no, these are perfect for the gym, especially with the IP6 rating that they have. Yeah, these are perfect for the gym. Let me take them out. Oh yes, oh yes. Let's put them down and wrap up the video, man. Woo. Oh yeah, I can't wait to start testing these. These fit awesomely. Put these down here. They fit super awesomely, and I can't wait to start testing those out, man. But first impressions of the SoundPEATS Q30 HD Plus, these seem to be a pair of super solid earbuds, especially when we come to the first impressions of the fit. Oh, they're in there snugly and they're not going anywhere. So I feel like I can go through a whole rigorous workout, even on the treadmill, and then come home and do another workout on the exercise bike flat out, and these wouldn't move anywhere. So this is definitely going to be perfect for the gym, perfect for any style of workout, and it shouldn't be a problem if they get wet either. So that's awesome stuff there. That being said, that does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Okay? I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Boy, the struggles with the packaging for today's video was crazy. All right. Catch y'all on the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.